What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to put an image into a shape on Canva PC. So first thing that we need to have, it's a photo that we want to put into a shape. Then what we want to do is to go at elements and then frame. And when you see the frames, you're gonna click on see all. And as you can see now, we have a lot of shape frame that we can use. So for example, let's use this circle one. Now to put this photo on this frame, all you have to do is to click on it and select it and drag it over it. As you can see now, we have to transform it. To do that, all you have to do is to double click on the frame and you can move it like so. Also, if you want to add a border to your frame, all you have to do is to select it, and here at these three lines is the border style and you have to click on it, and let's add a border like so. Also, you can change the color. Let's make it green, for example, and make it a little bit bigger. Also, you have other shapes that you can use. So guys, this was the tutorial. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.